Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about one of the most significant figures in Roman history, Julius Caesar. Caesar was a Roman statesman and general who played a critical role in transforming the Roman Republic into the Roman Empire. He was born on July 12, 100 BC, into a patrician family that claimed to be the descendants of the goddess Venus. Caesar was a brilliant military commander and is widely regarded as one of the greatest military minds in history. He led several successful campaigns, including the conquest of Gaul, which is modern-day France. His military victories brought enormous wealth and fame, which helped him to gain political power in Rome. However, Caesar's ambition and his increasing popularity among the Roman people made him a threat to the existing political order. In 49 BC, the Roman Senate ordered him to disband his army and return to Rome, but Caesar refused, and instead, he crossed the Rubicon River with his army, an act that started the civil war. Caesar defeated his political rival Pompey and became the dictator of Rome, which gave him absolute power. He implemented several reforms to improve the lives of ordinary Romans, including the introduction of the Julian calendar, which is still in use today. However, Caesar's increasing power and his desire to be a monarch made him unpopular with many of the Roman elites, who feared that he was destroying the republican system. On March 15, 44 BC, a group of senators led by Brutus and Cassius assassinated Caesar in the Senate chamber. The assassination of Caesar plunged Rome into chaos and led to a power struggle that lasted for several years. Eventually, Caesar's adopted son Octavian emerged as the victor and became the first Roman emperor, under the name Augustus. In conclusion, Julius Caesar was a complex figure who played a crucial role in the history of Rome. He was a brilliant military commander, a skilled politician, and a reformer who tried to improve the lives of ordinary Romans. However, his ambition and his desire for absolute power ultimately led to his downfall, and his death marked the end of the Roman Republic and the beginning of the Roman Empire. Thank you.